Hello. I'm going to do a little sample for everybody. I'm going to go to Document and I'm going to pick New. And the first thing I want to do is put in a dimension for my slab, whatever that might be. Full slab, a remnant, whatever you have. Alright, so I'm going to put in 120 by 72. It's 3 centimeters thick. This is important right here. The material is not important. It does not affect the program. A description. What is this? This is Miss Jones top, and then the exact file name, whatever you want to call it. Miss Jones. Let's say again. Okay. Save. Okay. Okay, what you're looking at now is the slab. Now at this point, I could bring in a drawing from Mastercam or AutoCAD, or I could create my own drawing right here. Custom Machining Wizard. Empty drawing is just that. I'm going to make my own drawing. Existing drawing, I'm bringing in a drawing from some other CAD program. Next. Okay, this is my slab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rectangle. Many ways to make a rectangle. You can make 4 lines. You could type in coordinates. Many ways. So I'm going to pick rectangle. And down here it's asking me for the first corner. I'm just going to type in 0, 0. Alright, my other corner is 60, 30. Done. Okay. So that's all I want, basic rectangle. I'm going to go to Next. Next. Okay, this point here. Please note the direction of the arrow. Okay? It looks to me like this is being cut in a counterclockwise direction. And that's fine. But, okay, where do you want the saw blade? This would be left, and this would be right. The way it looks to me is I want my saw blade outside, so it would be right side of the line. So right now, this is set for left. I'm going to change it to right. And I'm going to hit Next. And finish. Okay. Right now, I have saw path on this. I can go to Build, ISO, Compile. I now have the program to run my machine. And if I go to Isometric, Play, so this is exactly what's going to happen. Boom. Boom, boom. Very simple, all right? And this would work fine. The only thing I'm noticing is what's going to happen is, see, I keep rotating my blade. Draw fine on one piece, it's not a big problem. But if you have several pieces up here, you're rotating a lot, you might not get the most efficient path. Well, if I go back to machining and I want to sort my machinings, you see, there's only one thing here, that rectangle. In other words, I can't sort this. I can't say cut all the Y lines, then cut all the X lines. I can't do anything. The reason is I didn't apply any optimization. So let's talk about that. All right. Again, I'm going to go Document, New. I'm not saving this. Again, my slab was 120 by, I think it was 72. And I'm not worrying about the description. I'll use the same file name as before. Go away. And Custom Machining Wizard. Empty drawing. And I can also do a line. And I'm going to turn on Ortho down here. I'm going to pick Endpoint. So I'm going to go 60. And then we're just going to pick up and go 30, 60, 30. That was easy enough, right? Next. Next. Okay. Again, it does look like it's going counterclockwise, and I would want my blade on the right side. The left side, I'd be inside the line. The part would come out too small. Always leave this on here where the check is all. Always leave that on. Let's go to right. Next. Finish. Okay. This is what I suggest you do. See, it says I have one base machining. Okay. Let's go to machining. Let's go to utility. And we are going to go to disk machining optimizer. This down here we'll talk about on another video. This is if we were going to use a core drill or something like that. Right now, I'm just going to hit the optimize button and hit OK. Now, if I go to sort machinings, see that? It broke it up into 4 lines. So you see, number 1 would be cut first, number 2, number 3, and then number 4. Let's come over here. Set default cut directions. And then I'm going to auto. Now look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, if I had 5 parts on here, I'd be cutting all the x-axis, all the y-axis lines, then all the x-axis lines. I'm not going to be turning the c-axis constantly. Furthermore, this set default cut directions, this will make sure that the water is spraying backwards. See the tail here? That would be the direction of the water, not coming out at me. See, the water's going backwards. Excuse me, towards the back of the machine. Okay? All right, let's hit OK. Now we're going to go to Build, ISO, and now Compile. Okay, the program is now made. Let's go to View and Isometric. Now let's play this. There's a cut. There's a cut. And again, the water would be coming out this way. Same thing. The water's going to come out this way. Okay? I am done. This is ready to go. The program now went into a folder, and that folder now could be linked to the machine, and we're ready to go out there and hit the start button. So that is my first little simple video to show you how to put some saw path. And I'm